Welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so we have some information here about invasive snails in the St. Lawrence River and the role that they would play in threatening waterfowl. So they've described the faucet snail. Okay, so the faucet snail carries parasites, carries 3 types of intestinal parasites, but they describe those parasites and how they affect waterfowl. Okay, so the parasites actually inside those waterfowls, so such as ducks, the parasites actually attack those internal organs, causing lesions and hemorrhage. Ultimately, resulting in the death of those individuals, and of course, impacting the ecosystem in that way. So, in our discussion about this example, we want to talk about how invasive species can harm an ecosystem, and they want you to refer to these different points, okay? So one negative effect that faucet snails have on the lake ecosystem is that they impact the waterfowl, so they can kill the waterfowl, and of course that would have an impact on the ecosystem, on the food web that exists there, okay? Asking about a human activity that could slow the spread of the faucet snail. Well, in the paragraph that we've been given, it's talked about how the spread of this invasive species, and this invasive species is not normally in that area, okay, they refer to it coming from boats and in runoff from land. So human activity that could help slow the spread of the faucet snail is more awareness about that. So things like cleaning boats when they're being moved from one body of water to another can have a huge impact on decreasing the spread of invasive species. Checking boats for snails, they have descriptions of what the snail looks like. Those are 2 activities that could help slow the spread of the invasive snail for sure. Thank you for using JD's Prep.